All right, welcome back to Hardware Hangout. We are at another property that is in need of dryer vent cleaning. So we've got the brush, we've got the drill. We're gonna head on inside, disconnect some of the piping. It's got much longer tubing that leads to the outside, so we're gonna disconnect some of it so our brush can reach all the way. Then we're gonna head outside and brush it through. So let's get to it. All right, so we're down in the basement, and as you can see, this is where the dryer comes up. Comes down around here and follows this pipe all the way outside. So here are all the sticks that we have, hoping that this will be enough. So let's start assembling. Brush on. There we go. Let's disconnect this bad boy. Here's the dryer outlet. Let's pop this off, see what we're working with. Oh yeah, she needs good cleaning. Let's get the outside bit first. There we go. Clean as a whistle. All right, time to reconnect our pipes. Took 2 hands, but got her reconnected. So now we're going to turn on the dryer, let any loose debris blow right out the end. And that right there is a fire saved. I blew it all out. Brush helped loosen it, and this is just fire hazard. I recommend buying one of these. Use it at my house, use it at these homes. They come in handy. Do it twice a year and save yourself from a dryer fire. Smash that like, smash that subscribe, and I'll see you next time.